Why do you boast of evil? Why do you boast of evil, O mighty man? The loving devotion of goddess endures all day long. Your tongue devises destruction like a sharpened razor, O worker of deceit. You love evil more than good, falsehood more than speaking truth. You love every word that devours, O deceitful tongue. Surely goddess will bring you down to everlasting ruin. She will snatch you up and tear you away from your tent. She will uproot you from the land of the living. The righteous will see and fear. They will mock the evildoer, saying, "Look at the man who did not make goddess his refuge, but trusted in the abundance of his wealth and strengthened himself by destruction." But I am like an olive tree flourishing in the house of goddess. I trust in the loving devotion of goddess forever and ever. I will praise you forever, because you have done it. I will wait on your name, for it is good, in the presence of your saints.